Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into why your early direct deposit might not be showing and how to fix it step by step. Welcome to our channel today. We're tackling a common problem that many people face when expecting their paycheck. Early direct deposit not showing up in your account. This step-by-step guide will explain how to diagnose the issue and find solutions, so you can access your money as soon as possible. First, understand that banks and employers process direct deposits differently. Some employers send payroll information early, while banks might only release funds on the scheduled pay date. This means even if your employer has sent the money early, your bank might hold it until the official date. Step 1. Confirm with your employer or payroll provider that the payment has been processed. Sometimes payments are delayed or held due to changes in payroll schedules or administrative issues. Getting direct confirmation helps you identify whether the delay is on their end. Step 2. Check your bank account online or through mobile banking apps. Look for notifications or messages from your bank explaining a pending deposit or hold statuses. If your bank offers early direct deposit options, make sure you have signed up for this service, as it can speed up fund availability. Step 3. Contact your bank directly if your employer confirms the payment was sent and you don't see it in your account. Call your bank's customer service, explain the situation, and ask if there is a hold on your deposit. If additional verification is needed, banks may impose holds for security or compliance reasons, especially with early payments. Step 4. Verify the account information used by your employer. Ensure that your routing number and account number on file are accurate. Incorrect banking details can cause delays or deposits going to wrong accounts. Even a small error can lead to your deposit not showing up. Step 5. Consider timing and weekends. Weekends and holidays often delay processing times. Banks do not process transactions on non-business days, so an early deposit sent late might post only on the next business day. Step 6. Explore bank policies. If early direct deposit is important to you, consider switching to a bank that guarantees early release of funds. Many financial institutions offer this feature to provide faster access to paycheck money. Step 7. Set up alerts with your bank and employer. Many banks and payroll providers offer alerts that notify you when your deposit is about to post or has been posted. This helps you stay informed and catch issues immediately. In summary, fixing early direct deposit not showing requires patience, clear communication, and verifying details with both your employer and bank. Make sure to check processing times and enroll in any early access programs your bank offers. Remember that weekends and holidays affect timing, and don't hesitate to reach out directly for assistance. Your paycheck is important, and you deserve to access it on time. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful financial tips and guides. Thanks for watching.